Previously, the scientists they thought that the light of the moon was its own light, but the Quran says in Surah Furqan, chapter number 25, verse number 61, "Blessed is he, that is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who made the constellation in the sky and placed therein lamp, that is the sun having its own light, and moon having borrowed light or reflected light." The Arabic word for sun in the Quran it is Shams, and its light always describes as Siraz, Uhaz or Deya, meaning a torch having its own light or shining glory or blazing lamp. And the Arabic word for moon it is Qamar, and its light always described as Munir or Nur, meaning borrowed light or reflected light. There is not a single place in the glorious Quran where the light of the moon described as its own light. And the Arabic word for stars it is Nazam, and its light described as Sakib, meaning the light by the time it reaches the earth it loses its brightness like piercing brightness. The bright light by the time it reaches the earth it consumes itself. And this message that the sun have its own light and the moon have borrowed light or reflected light is mentioned several places in the glorious Quran, including Surah Yunus chapter number 10 verse number 5 and Surah Nuh chapter number 71 verse number 15 and 16, and in Surah Tariq chapter number 86 verse number 3, one Nazmus Saqib describing the light of the stars as piercing darkness. Imagine the glorious Quran mentioned 1400 years ago that the light of the moon was its own light, which we came to know recently.